Here we are in lovely Anchorage, Alaska, April 2nd. We got the trailer out of the storage yard in the driveway. We're ready to try and start packing things up so we can get out of here.
And what do we get?
It's snowing.
We get snow.
We're expecting 1 to 3 inches today. Awesome. Just gotta love it.
Have I told you lately? I'm sick and tired of snow.
Ready for the summer?
Absolutely.
Welcome to Roaming with the Ramseys. I'm Gordon.
And I'm Alice.
We're chasing our adventures.
Big time to chase your adventures.
Today we wanted to have a little conversation about some of the renovations that we did in the trailer last year. I think that they came out very well. In essence, it was just paint for the most part, but there were a few other touch-ups that
Little
we did.
things here and there. Yeah.
And then we want to take you on a quick tour of the trailer, show you the renovations that we did, and then we'll have a little conversation about where we're at now in our planning for our full-time adventures.
Yes.
Because it's been a lot of work with the coronavirus thing going on. It's been a huge challenge because every state has their emergency warnings. The border between Canada and Alaska is shut down to non-essential travel. Literally have spent hours trying to get them on the phone and talk to them and get an answer.
And we were successful this morning. Let's just hope that that guy that we talked to
Right?
will carry over to the guy who is in the booth, that we are considered essential.
Correct.
Since we are moving, and we do have proof of moving, such as the letter and the sale of our house. So we're going to make sure we take all of that information with us to get through.
So we can hand it off, show them whatever.
Yes.
But literally, it took us hours to get through.
And many phone calls.
Many. So it's not an easy find. Okay, so why don't we take a quick tour of the trailer, and Alice can talk a little bit about what she's showing you and some of the renovations that we did. Some things are a little bit of a mess, but it's not that bad.
Yeah. We wanted to make our trailer personal versus the trailer that when you just buy it off the lot. So we will go and we'll show you around on some of the things that we have personalized for our new home.
We wanted our trailer to be our home,
Yes.
not a trailer.
All right, so let's begin our tour here. We painted before we put it away last fall, so we did a nice blue here to give it some cheer, and then we did the cream so it wasn't so dark. So we did that in October when we put it away. And then last year we bought new blinds for it. We got rid of the brown ones that were in here. I'm not a huge fan of brown, so I wanted something that was a little bit more cheery. And so I just added a little bit of lace trim to hide it. There was these big gaudy curtains here that were always in the way whenever you would pull your blinds down, so we just kind of got rid of all of those. My daughter showed me what mixed tiles were, and so we bought some. I picked out some of my favorite photos so we could keep our family with us, and that way you don't have to carry big old family albums or anything like that. So we'll move on in here to the bathroom. Pretty standard trailer bathroom with your sink and your corner shower here. And then I added a few things in here on the wall. My sister made this one for me, and this was my winter project because I think every bathroom needs to have an outhouse in it. So Gordon and I found that downtown at one of the quilt shops. It was really cool. Then our little refrigerator here, and of course everybody needs to have their daughter on the refrigerator, in the refrigerator photo. She is 2 years old there, and she's 25 now, so that picture's kind of old. Or getting there anyways. I was quite young. Then our kitchen here, we have our stovetop in the oven, and the sink is here in the middle, so I like it because you're able to use the sink as a counter, or and then do your dishwashing also. Oh, look at that. I have the dog dish in here. Microwave. We take the TV out when we store it in the wintertime. We haven't put it back in yet because it's still too cold. So we're not putting the TV in yet. So that's still upstairs in our closet. But we take it all out because we don't want it to freeze. So moving into the bedroom now. We painted the blue in here also in the cream. Made curtains to add a little bit more of a personal touch to it instead of the brown ones that they had in here. And so that is pretty much everything. One thing I do like about this is like we bought a brand new mattress to put in here because the one, of course, that comes with the trailer is crappy. And it's a standard queen size, so we can buy sheets anywhere, unlike some trailers that have that special size of a mattress. So we wanted to give you a little bit of update on our progress of getting out of the house here and what we've done. So yesterday I spent a lot of time on trying to sort through clothes, and now it is Gordon's turn to sort through. You see my side of the closet is almost empty.
Yeah, you got ahead of me.
Needs to get to work.
Gordon's still working a 40-hour-a-week job.
Yes, Gordon is still working. So we have allowed each other, we feel that we will have enough room in the back of the pickup truck with our camper shell on it for 2 boxes each. So this is all of my summer clothes because it's too cold to wear summer clothes now. And all of those in the closet are still my winter clothes. I found these great boxes yesterday. Then they fit in the compartment over the bed and over the table. So we can put, like, my socks are in this one. Gordon's got a couple of them that he'll be able to use also. And these here fit perfect over the bed. And I put a label on it so I don't have to pull them all out, and I can just pull out what I need. And then I have my sweaters in one. Right now, as you can tell, I still have a partial empty box. So what we've done with all of the stuff that we're not taking is right now it's in these bags here, and I will be taking these over to the Mission. We found this wonderful program that helps the homeless and people in need, whether they've lost their homes or whatever, for whatever reason. So it's a mission, and I will be taking these over and donating them to them. And we've already donated quite a few things to them, a lot of blankets that we're not going to be keeping, other clothes. This is just our fourth
round yeah.
of donating. So we're doing it slowly. That way we can make sure that we're not getting rid of something that we really need, or we can really get rid of this now. So they've gotten a lot of stuff from us.